How to set up Windows 11 without internet. Here you can see, when I'm trying to install Windows 11, it stops on this page. To bypass this, all what you have to do is press Shift plus F10 to launch CMD. Type the following command: OOB/bypass NRO. After that, press Enter on your keyboard. After successful execution, the system will restart. When you reach the Let's Connect You to a Network screen, click I don't have internet. Continue to click Limited Setup. Accept the license agreement and continue to create a local user account. And that's it. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and tutorials.